Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down essentials: size, fabric, and the exact pink pom puff style you want. Once done, scan 3 sources: brand site, marketplace, resale, to compare availability and price. Make sure to enable alerts or join a waitlist. This increases your chance to buy on restock. You should also prepare payment methods and shipping info now, because speed matters. If you're buying used, inspect photos closely and ask for measurements. This avoids returns and fit surprises. You move quickly through checkout. Use autofill and a saved card, and authenticate with 2FA to avoid delays. Once you hit purchase, verify order confirmation, estimated ship date, and seller feedback. This prevents scams and hidden fees. If available, choose expedited shipping or local pickup to shorten delivery time. After payment, track the shipment and hold onto order numbers. If buying secondhand, request close-up photos of seams and tags so you can confirm authenticity and condition before it arrives. You finish by inspecting your pink pom puff PJs as soon as they arrive. Check seams, color, and fit under natural light, and wash per label to verify durability. If anything is wrong, document with photos and contact the seller or platform within the return window. Escalate to a dispute with evidence if needed. If your order failed, use restock alerts, scripted bots, or vetted resellers to try again. One troubleshooting tip: if color differs, compare photos under consistent lighting and report immediately. Timing matters for refunds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.